Sanika Pote. I am studying in SY Mechanical. My roll number is 108. My point name is reheat cycle. What is I mean by reheat cycle? The reheat cycle is modification of basic Rankine cycle and its steam power plants to improve the efficiency of protect to the low pressure turbine. It involves example steam through the high pressure turbine and heating separate the boiler and excluding the again low pressure turbine before it the high pressure turbine and low pressure turbine. In this point between them the gas send another combustion is reheated increases turbine work output in overall efficiency. In high pressure turbine and low pressure turbine HPT and LPT. In high pressure turbine, high pressure steam power is boiler first to expand through high pressure and turbine generating the mechanical. And low pressure turbine in the related steam from them in which the low pressure turbine is expand to further producing the additional mechanical work into part of reheating cycle.
Good morning. My name is Ritika Balasam Sure. Today I am presenting on reheat cycle. My roll number is 107 and my point is the why is reheat used. First is the reheating is used in gas turbine primarily to increase the work output and make power allowing the gas to expand the further in a second turbine stage. By reheating the gas after it passes through the first turbine, its enthalpy is increased, which enables it to perform more work in the subsequent turbine stages. Thereby, if we reheat gas before the second turbine, the temperature is increased again, more expansion work is produced, the higher power output. This is the diagram of the ideal gas turbine with reheating. First one is the air compressor, the compress air to high pressure. Second is the combustor. The fuel burns, high temperature gases form. Third is the high pressure turbine. Stage is the gas expands to do work. The second combustor is the reheater. The temperature raised again. And the low pressure turbine. Gases expand again and more work produced. Last is the exhaust to atmosphere or heat recovery. This is the diagram. Thank you.
Myself Asmita Chavan. My roll number is 111. My point name is a TS diagram of reheat cycle. It is a two expansion curves. Their process is a 1 to 2 isotropic compression. It is a 1 to 2 isotropic compression. Diagram. Second is a 2S 2 to 3 isobaric heat addition. The compressed water is heated in the boiler at constant pressure, turning into high pressure superheated steam. This is an isobaric process. Constant pressure process represented as a horizontal line on a TS diagram showing an increase in temperature and entropy. Third is a 3 to 4 process. It is a isentropic expansion, high pressure turbine. The steam expands through the high pressure turbine doing work. This is an isotropic expansion.
My name is Aditya. My roll number is 164. Disadvantage is quick explanation, high cost of extra combination and PPT rate, more pressure and heat losses, additional compressor increase, flow resistance, more maintenance, two burners into more parts, more servicing, complex control system, fuel distribution and temperature control needed input, compressors, reheat cases, turbines are commonly used where high power and high efficiency are required, such as large power plants, combined cycle system, aircraft engine and marine corporations.
My name is Aryan Mali. My roll number is 154. My point is a conclusion. Reheat gas between two turbine stages to produce more power and better efficiency, making it suitable for a high performance power plant.
All points of represented on a reheat cycle. So, thank you.